Hi, from the red carpet is our very own fabulous fashion expert, Luis Galvero. Luis, how you doing? You look great yourself, honey.
Thank you, thank you. We are so excited. In just a few hours, this red carpet is going to be filled with many beautiful gowns. And Roxy, I have a feeling you're going to have one of those beautiful gowns on as well.
I can't tell you too much about it. You're just going to have to watch NBC 6 News at 5 to see what I'm wearing, but I'm really excited about it. Luis, I know that you have our exclusive peek at what you predict a lot of the gorgeous stars are going to be wearing tonight. So take us to it. What's your first look that you have for us?
Yes, well, it's all about lace. Lace is everywhere, and I really want to talk about red lace in particular because red lace is all over the runways in Paris and Milan, so I have a feeling that tonight we're going to be seeing a lot of red lace on the red carpet. If the girls want to be in fashion, they're going to have to pull out that red lace.
Wow, this dress is gorgeous, and I love the high slit there on the left. That is beautiful. And it covers just enough, but leaves enough to the imagination. Very sexy, this number.
Right. We don't want to be vulgar now. And another option is this electric blue. It's sort of an electric blue purple. I love this one because it shows just enough on top, but on the bottom, it's a little bit more conservative, and it's all about shine. Here at the Latin Beaufort Awards, it's all about shining on the red carpet, and this electric blue, electric purple, it really shows off a great way to shine without overdoing it. You know, it's not all sequin, it's not all shiny, it's just enough.
What about the metallics? Do you think that we're going to see a lot of metallics tonight on the carpet, Luis?
Well, honestly, I think metallics in moderation are great. I hope that people don't show up only in metallics. I know it's Miami. I know you can get away with a little bit more, but we don't want to overdo it. So hopefully, if people do show up in metallics, it'll be metallics in moderation.
All right. This next dress is gorgeous. You can never go wrong with black and a little bit of pop. Tell us more about this gorgeous gown.
Yes. Well, this dress, I'm really hoping we don't see too much black on the red carpet simply because a lot of times I feel like people play it safe with the black gowns. But if you are going to do a black gown, do it right. Do it with full-on sequin on top. Do it with the slit. Do it and go ahead and just go there. You know what I mean? So instead of just doing a simple, safe black gown, go ahead and go all out and do something with just a little bit of sexy without going too hard and going overboard.
There's nothing wrong going overboard from time to time, but know how to go overboard.
Yes.
Luis, thank you so much, as always, for your fashion expertise. Can't wait to welcome you back here on 6 in the Mix tomorrow to break down the highs and the lows.
Yes, tomorrow.
Tomorrow of the red carpet. In the meantime, you look great. I know that you're red carpet ready yourself.
Thank you.
Well,
yes, and I have a feeling you're going to look great, too. Roxy, I know you're going to look great in your La Casa Hermosa gown. I have a feeling.
Yes. La Casa Hermosa is what I will be wearing tonight, and Luis might have a little something to do with that. He might actually know what my dress looks like. But in order for you to see what my dress looks like, make sure you join me for the news at 5.